Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your wellness coach, Jessie Lee. Today I'm here to answer your questions about the facial cupping. Since I made the 2 tutorial videos about facial cupping, I received a lot of emails to ask about this cupping device. Even in my Chinese channel, a lot of people are asking why you are using those electric cups. The reason why I choose it is not because it's electric. The first reason I choose it, and I'm so happy to find this device, is because the glass cup. It's pretty much like a traditional Chinese medicine. In traditional Chinese medicine cupping, we use glass cups. And why? Because the plastic is not good and not healthier for your skin. As we know, plastic are toxic. You might notice that if you use the plastic tools for your face, like a gua sha or massage or whatever, after you use it, you might notice your skin will turn red and it will last longer. And sometimes it can cause the itching, but the glass won't. Glass is more softer, gentle, and healthier for your skin. So no matter for the body cupping or the facial cupping, the first choice for me is the glass. The second reason is it is because it's electric. So why do I choose electric? Because when you squeeze those plastic cups, it's harder to control to keep your pressure at the same level. Sometimes you do it harder, sometimes you do it lighter. And if you do it too light, it's not effective. But if you do it too hard, it will damage your skin. So, but with electric, you can choose different levels. And totally, this one has 12 levels, and they have three. Let me show you. They have a 3 mode. The one mode with those little heart on the top. This is a cupping mode, and then you can press this M to change the mode to gua sha, or change to the heart. The heart one is the massage mode. So, and with the pressure, you can choose upper and lower to change this pressure. Normally from beginning, we start with 1, 2, and 3. I don't recommend you to go beyond the 4 or 5 because it's too hard. You have to pay attention to it. With this electric pressure, you can keep the strength at the same level all the time. So you don't need to worry about how can I squeeze it. You always keep the same pressure to do the facial cupping. Those cups has 3 different size. So you can say the big size, the middle size, and the small size. You can do at the same time. You can do one side first and do another side. If you want to do at the same time, you have to use those conductor. You plug it in here. So you connect the 2 tubes. It's very long. And then you choose your cup, connect them. You set up your mode and the strength, and then you can do at the same time. See? You can do like this at the same time. Okay. And if you're a beginner, I suggest you to do one side and another because it's easier. Only do one side. If you connect with 2, you cannot do one side because the air will get out from another side. So if you wanna only do one side, you only connect one tube, put another one away, and then you connect one. Look, this is one, only one. Okay, you connect them, and then you just do one side by side. It's easier, and it's easy for you to control. So you can use another hand to hold and do it slowly, gently. So it's very easy. So the main function for cupping is detoxification. You can use a body cup for the body detoxification, soothing the muscles, and also for face it's the same thing. So use this kind of facial cupping device on your face. You can detoxify your skin, and the best function for me is for lymphatic drainage. I'm going to show you how to use it for lymphatic drainage in the upcoming videos. And last but not the least, I want to emphasize is you have to be very careful and really know how to use it. The pressure, the techniques, the which part you should do it. If you're doing wrong, it could damage your skin, especially with the plastic device. So I'm going to show you tutorials in the future and stay tuned. Okay, if you want to purchase this device, you can find in my description section. And this name is called Sign Contour Face Cupping, and the company is called Cynotic. You can find the purchase link in the description section, and don't forget to use my discount code. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.